Hello, I'm Mark Isselhart, Maple Specialist and Extension Maple Program Leader with the University of Vermont Extension. I want to introduce a new program we have. It's called the Maple Syrup Quality Testing Lab. At the heart of this project is an opportunity for producers to submit samples and have them tested for the basics of grade A quality. Those basics are color, clarity, density, and flavor. The lab is here to be an impartial third-party assessment of quality and to provide you with a report to see how each sample measures up. We're not regulatory, we're not doing any sort of enforcement, we're simply here to provide education and feedback along with technical assistance to help you if there are some defects identified. You can learn a lot more about this project and how to submit samples on our website. And I also want to take some time to introduce you to the equipment and how this assessment is going to be made. Please feel free to reach out with any questions you may have about this project, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Hi everybody, my name is Joanna. I am the new Maple Quality Specialist here, and I'm excited to be testing your maple syrup samples here at the Maple Quality Testing Lab. Today I'm going to be taking you through a tour of the lab and showing you some of the new equipment that we've been able to purchase through the generous Leahy grant. And this equipment is used exclusively for testing the quality of the maple syrup samples. So we are testing for the 4 attributes, that is color, clarity, density, and flavor. First up is color. We have purchased a fancy new spectrophotometer to determine color, and the spectrophotometer basically determines color through light transmittance. So we're very excited about this piece of equipment, and it can do so much more as well. So over here we have our benchtop refractometer, which we are using to measure density or percent bricks. The other 2 attributes, clarity and flavor, are not quantitative, aka you are not going to get a numerical value for those 2 attributes, but we have invested in some equipment for clarity. More specifically, we have invested in this light box here. So with the report, you will be getting a picture of your sample in this new fancy light box with a very consistent background. So we're very excited about that. And we're also kind of exploring new ways to measure clarity. Specifically, we have bought a new turbidity meter. It's used in other different types of food production, such as like beer or juice. So we might be exploring these new ways. Additionally, we have invested in other pieces of equipment, such as a pH meter, to give a more complete profile of the syrup. In terms of flavor, we are not looking for best in class. This is not a like a fair judging event. We are just looking for the minimum requirements to meet grade A. To summarize, the report will include all 4 attributes, or a summary of all 4 attributes, and additionally we can provide support or feedback to help troubleshoot any defects in those 4 attributes.